Hi everyone, this is Aussie Terror. This is my first instructional video, so please be gentle. Today on GitHub I uploaded a script called arclog to Hipchat. This is a bash script that tails an Ark Survival Evolved game log file for its current line and then posts that current line to a Hipchat room as a notification. It does this using curl and Hipchat APIs. So for this script to work, you're going to need a Hipchat instance and to have created a room or use an existing room, but you also need to create an authentication token. So I'm going to step through how to do that now. If you don't have a Hipchat instance, it's easy enough to get one. You can Google how to do that, and I'll also include a link in the bottom of this video. But for the purpose of this video, I've already done that, and I've got a new instance, new Hipchat instance. And I'm going to create a room. I'll call this Ark Server Game Log and the topic example. Doesn't really matter. Create room. So you've now got a new room called Ark Server Game Log. From here you want to go on the Hipchat administration page. You do that by clicking Hipchat in the top left. And then we want to go into rooms. So on the toolbar, select rooms. Now select the new room we created, Ark Server Game Log. In the summary, you're going to see some information. The app ID is important for the script. You're going to need to take note of that and refer back to it later because you need that for the script. And we also need an authentication token. So let's go and create that now. On the left, select tokens, give it a meaningful label. I'm going to call it Ark Server Log. You can call it the Ark Server name or whatever you want, but this will appear in the notification. In the scopes, make sure send notification is selected and then select create. We now have an authentication token, so we're going to need that for the script later as well, or shortly. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'm just going to copy and paste this script from GitHub into a new bash script on my server. So let's do that. And we'll call it arclog to Hipchat. .sh. And then we want to paste that script in. Now let's go back to our Hipchat server and get that authentication token. Copy that. And we'll go into a log file where I've put in auth token in brackets, and we'll insert that authentication token here. Now we also need to get the room ID, so let's go back to the summary in Hipchat, and the app ID for this room is 3105722. So let's copy that and paste that where you see room ID in the script. And that's done. So you can write that new bash file. Let's make it executable. Okay. Now let's run that. I know I have some information in that log file already, so it's going to post it to the room, so we'll go ahead and run that script. Now you'll see it doing this, and that means it's posting through to Hipchat, which is good. So let's go back to Hipchat and the room, and there we go. There are the current lines in the game server log on Ark Survival Evolved, and to show it actively doing it, I'll actually go and launch Ark now and log on, and we should be able to see those notifications posted through to Hipchat. This is my example server, used as a test bed. So logging on now, we should see a join notification in Hipchat. And there we go. I've just joined the Ark. It also logs any global chat. It will also log you leaving Ark, and any deaths in Ark will also be logged as a notification to Hipchat. So that's it. Any questions? Feel free to leave any comments on GitHub or the YouTube video. Thank you.